the Intellibeam unboxing, or in this case, unbagging of the Mimosa Network's Gigabit Network Interface Device, or NID. The model number on this is 100-00039. Let's open it up, see what we got. So inside we have the quick start guide, and then the device itself. So this one is dust and water resistant, and then if you see inside, it's also some foam for the entry cable in all these different spots and around the outer area here. So once again, this is a Gigabit device, and then you have your ground right here. But basically I'm just showing it off because I didn't know when, we purchased it about all the extra foam and whatnot coming from the Ubiquity devices that just, a lot smaller than this, and we've had a bunch of those go bad, so we're looking at swapping over to these for certain scenarios. So there you have it. So just a quick unboxing just to show you what this device actually looks like inside. And that was the Mimosa Network's Gigabit Network device, model 100-0039 by Intellibeam. Technology of tomorrow, today.